for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear window wiper, rear view camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.